Hello guys! If you're looking for the best expensive Casio G-Shock watches for men based on price and specifications, you're in the right place. All the product buying links for the watches are provided in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications for new uploads. Number 7. Casio G-Shock GoFD 1000 Frogman. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $750. Case color, black, blue, black. Water resistance, 200 m, 20 m, movement, quartz. Indices, 12 har. Dial, 24 hair. Dial, caseback, screw caseback. Type, wristwatch. Band color, black. Band material, carbon fiber. Lug width, 22 m. Dial color, black. Watch shape, round. Case size, 59.2. Features, date indicator, backlight, atomic/radio controlled, alarm, moon phase, LED display, day indicator. Case material, stainless steel, resin. Display, digital. Number 6. Casio G-Shock MB 1000D. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $815. Water resistance, 200 m, 20 am, movement, quartz. Indices, 12 hel. Dial, 12 har. Dial, 24 har. Dial, seconds hand, multiple hands. Band/strap, bracelet. Case color, silver. Type, wristwatch. Band color, red, silver, gray. Band material, stainless steel. Dial color, black. Watch shape, round. Style, diver, sport, luxury, casual. Features, water resistant, shock resistant, date indicator, backlight, atomic/radio controlled, power reserve indicator, alarm, sapphire crystal, day indicator, chronograph. Case material, sapphire, resin. Display, analog, digital. Number 5. Casio G-Shock MG B1000XB. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $900. Item shape round. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Case material resin/carbon. Case diameter 5.2 centimeters. Case thickness 14.4 millimeters. Band material resin. Band color black. Dial color black. Item weight 6.3 ounces. Movement quartz. Number 4. Casio G-Shock FROGMAN GoFD 1000. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $800. The new GoFD 1000s are the first analog models for the FROGMAN series of Master of G ISO 200M diver-level water-resistant watches. Maintaining the asymmetrical face design that has been the iconic look of this series since its start in 1993, these new models show home time, dual time, tide information, and dive time measurement in analog format. The carbon monologue structure of this model incorporates the case and back cover into a single unit. Display type analog. Clasp tang buckle. Case material resin. Case diameter 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness 19.7 millimeters. Band material resin. Dial color black. Item weight 4.2 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Number 3. Casio G-Shock MG 2000. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $1,000. The MEG 2000PH is a special model based on the Carbon ML 2000 with a Blue Phoenix-themed design. The Blue Phoenix is a legendary bird whose appearance is said to be a harbinger of good things to come. Both the bezel and the case of this model have a rainbow ion-plated IP finish for a striking design. Display type analog. Clasp tang buckle. Case diameter 5.1 centimeters. Case thickness 15.9 millimeters. Bandwidth 26.8 millimeters. Dial color blue. Item weight 4.48 ounces. Movement quartz. Number 2. Casio G-Shock MERG B2000B. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $1,807. Case/bezel material, titanium. Solid band tight lock, 1 press, 3-fold clasp, titanium band. Sapphire glass with non-reflective coating. Neobrite magnetic resistant. Shock resistant. Cruel lock crown. Deep layer hardening plus Del-C coating. 200-meter water resistance. Tough solar-powered, LED light, super illuminator. Frequency, 77.5 kg. Station name, Miss Anthorn, England. Frequency, 60.0 keys. Station name, Doublevive, Fort Collins, United States. Frequency, 60.0 kz. Station name, JJ, Fukushima, Fukuoka/Saga, Japan. Frequency, 40.0 kg. Fukushima/60.0 kz. Fuku/Saga. Station name, BPC, Shenkyu City, Henan Province, China. Frequency, 68.5 kz. Mobile link, wireless linking using Bluetooth. The auto hand home position correction. Size of case, 54.749.816.9 mm. Total weight, 150 g. Number 1. Casio G-Shock, Mr. G, Merg, B2000 sheet. As of today, the approximate price of this watch in USD is $3,000. Construction shock resistant. Water resistance, 200 meters. Magnetic resistance, ISO 764 compliant magnetic resistance. Radio frequency 77.5 kz, DF77, Germany 60 kz, MS UK 60 kW, Jed J Chai, Fukushima, Japan/60 kj, Jush, Japan 68, Specie G, Chiba wave reception. Automatic reception up to 6 times per day, except for use in China, up to 5 times per day. Communication specifications. Communication standard. Bluetooth low energy signal range. Up to 2 meters. May differ depending on surrounding conditions. World time. Power saving after a certain period in a dark location. Size of case 54.749.816.9 m. Total weight approx. 150 g.